In this video, I'm going to teach you how to refund bundles on the Roblox. So in order to do that, we can head over first to our Roblox and then scroll all the way down and until we reach the bottom. From in there, we can see the help page, so make sure to head over and click on that. Once you have clicked on that, you will be redirected to the help page of Roblox and head over and click onto the search bar and then just search in here for refund. Now you can see in here this subscription billing and refunds as well as general billing. And in here we also have creation billings as well. So head over and then just choose in here which kind of refund you want. For example, let's choose in here this unauthorized charges. And we can see in here this article. So if there's an unauthorized charges, you can actually head over and then report them to Roblox in order to get a refund from them. Now, if you're actually having some refund investigation, you can head over and then get back to them. However, if this article doesn't help you, you can click onto this right here and click on no and click onto this need more help and contact the support using this button right there. Once you have clicked on that, you will be redirected to the actual support page. Just input right here your details, your issue details right here, choosing here your device type and choosing here your game or your help category. Head over and look in here for purchases and choosing here the subcategory type, choosing here which one. Then describe your issue and then just wait for Roblox support to actually reach back to you. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.